Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let vector A equals I minus j, vector B equals j minus k, vector C equals k minus I. If D is a unit vector, so they are saying that the vector D is a unit vector means magnitude is 1 means D1 square plus D2 square plus D3 square equals 1. And also a dot d equals to 0 and also scalar triple product is 0. So these guys have provided you three equations and d will carry three variables, correct? So we guys can solve this question. Now suppose that the vector d is xi yj zk. Suppose according to the first idea, as they are saying that d is a unit vector, so can I write x square plus y square plus z square equals to 1 square, because magnitude is this and here you will be writing 1, so squaring both sides will become this. So we got our first equation. Okay, so this is your first equation. Now we will jump on to the next equation where they are saying that a dot d is 0. Now let's do a dot d means I with I, j with j and k with k. So it is x minus y equals to 0 means x equals to y. So we got another equation that x equals to y. Also these guys are saying that the scalar triple product of BCD is 0. So we will use the third equation. B means what? Wait, the box product of B, C, D. So first we will write down the coefficient of B, vector B, that is 0, 1, minus 1. Then C, minus 1, 0, 1. They have changed the order. Okay, so be careful while writing. Then vector D, X, Y, Z. So we have to find out the determinant of this component. Now, so 0 times anything khatam, minus 1 is minus z minus x, then minus 1 is minus y, correct? So can I say that we got things as x plus y plus z and they are saying that it is equal to 0, so can I say it is 0? Okay, I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. Now we got three variable, three equation. Now how we will solve? Look at this. You know that x and y are equal, so can I say that the value of z will be equal to 2 times x? Correct? X and y are equal, no? Now look at this. Now we will solve this entity and we will write all the things in terms of x. So x square is x square, y square is x square because y and x are equal, and z square equals to 2x whole square means 4x square equals 1. So can I say that it is 6x square means x square equals 1 by 6 means x is plus or minus 1 by root 6. Now can I say that the x is plus or minus 1 by root 6, y is plus or minus 1 by root 6 and z is minus or plus, because this is not 2x, this is minus 2x, minus or plus 2 by root 6. Okay, so this is the combination of x, y, z. Corresponding to that we will get 2 vector d. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.